I'm back. So I took a bit of a break from filming and drawing and social media. I was just feeling a lot of pressure that I was putting on myself and I just wasn't having fun anymore. So I wanted to take a little bit of a breather, but I'm back and I'm feeling super refreshed and super excited. So I'm back to filming a lot of videos. I've got a vlog coming out later this week, hopefully, based on lockdown, which I'm currently in. So I just designed my latest sticker collection last night. It is my tea range. These are what they'll look like. You're not gonna be able to see them in the video. These are my 3 stickers, which I will show you a big version, but you've got your positivity, you've got your chamomile, and your green tea. So they will be released on my Etsy sometime this week. And because I'm launching my new stickers, I wanted to show you how I do my product photography for all my stickers. So it's pretty simple. All you need is your iPad. So there is the option to do the product photography by printing off about 30, 40 stickers, laying them all out and waiting for good light, but nobody's got time for that. And if you're waiting on good light, it may never come. And if you need to launch a sticker, you want to be able to do it straight away. So I'm going to show you a real simple way to do it. So this is on the iPad, so you will need Procreate to design your product shoot, but it gives it a simple, clean way of showcasing your stickers, and I reckon it looks great. So let's go. So for all of my listings, I have 3 product photography photos that go up. So this is an example of one of the sticker listings that I have on Etsy. So this is my Be Happy sticker. So this is what it looks like when you put them all together. It's a simple way to show off your sticker and it makes it stand out. So I'm gonna go through and show you how to do that with my latest sticker, my green tea sticker. So I always do the canvas size at least 2000 by 2000 pixels, just because Etsy likes it being that size. So what we do, grab your first sticker. So here's a look at my green tea sticker, super cute. So what we're going to do is copy the canvas and bring it here. So first off, you just want to paste it in and do it the size you want. Now you can change the background slightly, just so you can see that white border around the sticker. And then you're gonna just go crazy. Ooh, I just threw my pen. And then you're just gonna go crazy and add as many green tea stickers as you can. So you're duplicating the layer, moving them around. You can rotate them if you want, but you don't have to. I might keep them all the same way today. Sometimes you run out of layers and all you need to do is just pinch a few layers together. For example, pinch those together and then you've cleared some more room. So I am absolutely loving this sticker range. I'm very excited to launch these. So you can also mix around with this. You can do them different sizes if you want to. You can do some at the front, some at the back. All right, so that's pretty much full how I want it. So this is what it would look like. And then you want to add your showcasing sticker. So what you're going to do, first off, go to the top layer and you're going to get a complete white background. So it looks like you've lost all your work, but you haven't. Then what you want to do is change the opacity of this to about 26. Don't know how I got to 26, but I did. And then on top of that layer, you're going to paste in another sticker. So currently it looks like you can't really see the sticker, which is fine. So what you need to do is on top of this layer, change the pen to black, and you're going to draw a little outline on your little sticker. So don't worry, it's not going to look like this. So you want to fill in as much of it as you can. So the whole sticker should be outlined in black, and you're not going to leave it like this. What you want to do is go to this magic tool here and go to Gaussian blur on the layer and just drag to your desired setting. Also, you can have a play around with this layer here if you want to drag it up a bit so it more stands out in the middle. And that's all you need to do for your first sticker display. So this is what it would look like. And that's what I put on my display to start off and attract customers to my Etsy store. So once I've got my main display, which we just saw, then I want some stock photography as well to show you what a sticker could be used on. So I use this awesome website called unsplash.com, that one. So this is the terms and conditions of Unsplash. So you can use all of the images free personally and commercially. You just can't sell them unless you've done significant modification, but I don't sell them for anything. I just use them as stock photos on my Etsy. And as well, there's no permission needed, which is awesome. So you can go on there, you can download the images. You can also see who it's from. So if you wanted to credit them, if you used it on Instagram or something like that, you can credit the artist, but it is a great place to find stock photography. So these are the two images I use. I've got my bedside display, and then just a standard photo of a Mac. So I could do this setup at home with all my stickers. I could print out a bunch of them, wait for good lighting. But as I said, nobody's got time for that. And I also like to stick some of my stickers on my laptop, so I would have to remove them all the time, and that wouldn't be fun. What I do again is on Procreate. I just get one of those photos, which I will show you here. So this is one of the product photos here. So all you need to do is paste your sticker in and resize it to how big you think it will be. You can measure it out if you need to, but I usually just do a bit of a guess. So you can move it anywhere you want. You could even move it on here if you really want to. But I usually do all my displays in the top right corner. So that's the first image. So this is what I'd send to my Etsy. Then close that one off, and then you've got this other one here. Again, you'll need to drag your sticker on the top of it. This is another MacBook display that I found on Unsplash. So all you need to do is resize this. So on Unsplash, you could search up MacBook display or just laptop display, and you'll come up with a bunch of different ideas. You could even find photo frames. Anything you need is on there. So I'd resize it to about this big, and that would go on my Etsy as well. So now I've got my three images. So I've got my bedside table, my little laptop display here, and my display photo that I use for all my stickers. So that's all it takes with my product photography for my stickers. I find it super simple. It's actually quite relaxing to do, even though you have to duplicate a lot of layers. I find it just is the most efficient way to do it. You can do it all really quickly, but it's super fun. As you saw, it's really quick. And that's how I get my product photography up. So if you've got any questions, please let me know. As I said, I do have a few videos coming out. One will be a vlog that I'm doing over lockdown, and fingers crossed lockdown doesn't get extended, but we'll see how we go. Also, just wanted to say a really big thank you to the 4,000 plus of you for subscribing to my channel, as well for the 300,000 views on my cricket video. I still can't believe it, but I'm very thankful. So I don't think I've ever said to subscribe. Have I? I don't know. But anyway, if you want to subscribe, do that. But otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.